Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix please check your internet connection and try again. So guys, if you are trying to log in or creating your Telegram account and you're unable to log in your account and you are facing this problem that please check your internet connection and try again on your Telegram account. So how can you fix this problem? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, we have to just simply tap on OK and go back to your home screen. So guys, you have to just simply open your app store and search here for any VPN on here. So guys, I'm using here Proton VPN. So guys, you have to just simply open your VPN and connect your device to the VPN, and after that you have to just simply open your Telegram and continue, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.